Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Catalina here with another video. It is Vlogmas season and welcome to my day 3. Now I know I've made videos on how to get your skin right with store-bought products, and now it's time to try some home remedies. All natural products straight from your kitchen to your face. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So excited! I don't know. Help! Here is my skin freshly washed, super dry right now because it's winter here, so I'm hoping this honey lemon cucumber mask will do it for me today. Have my face plump, tight, and bright. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna fix my hair first and let's go straight into the first layer. Honey and lemon. Just spread that all over your face. Some cucumbers. Lots and lots of cucumbers. And then we play the waiting game. 15 minutes. Such a very long time. I feel like I waited a bit more than 15 minutes and I realized how much of a child I am. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. And that I like Wolverine while I'm just sitting there doing nothing. Look at me. Roar. Just leave. Ooh, I feel like it has done something. My skin feels a lot brighter. Oh, sorry. My skin looks a lot brighter and feels plump. Possibly from the honey and lemon mix. I don't know what the science is behind it, but I was just trying out some natural remedies at home that I've seen on YouTube and, you know, advice from other ladies, and what do you guys think? Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Shalom, shalom, and shabbai.